Kev G with a weather overview. Boy, did anybody else get woken up by that wicked thunderstorm that came through NYC this morning, southwest Connecticut, Long Island? Some vivid lightning and pretty loud thunder around 5:30 in the morning. Nice wake-up call on a Saturday. I was thrilled. I don't know about you, but I was absolutely delighted. And now that we got rid of the storms, we are set for possible record highs at Islip and JFK. We are off to the races as far as temperatures are concerned under mostly sunny skies. And I don't think we'll have any rain chances until about Monday night. But tomorrow is markedly cooler than today by about 15 to 20 degrees, and that's because we're going to have a wind shift. It's not because we're going to be in any rain situation. So this is NOAA, like them on Facebook and Twitter. So we'll get right down to it with the forecast over the next 7 days, as seen through the eyes of the GFS model. Very exciting. All right, so we have this tremendous rain event in the Midwest, the South Central states. They're going to get excessive rain with perhaps some deadly flooding in Oklahoma, Arkansas. That front is going to slowly work its way east. For us, though, in between now and then, we might have a chance at a few scattered showers tonight, particularly near the city and Long Island. But that's going to be the extent of it. The big story over the next 24 hours is going to be a wind shift to the northeast. You see that big high pressure over southern New England, over the Gulf of Maine? That's going to turn our winds around to the northeast, and it's going to usher in a maritime air mass, which is going to make our temperatures much lower than they are today. So expect 60s and a lot of clouds tomorrow, perhaps a little bit of drizzle from time to time, but it's really not a big deal as far as the rain is concerned, but you'll definitely notice the temperatures. And then as we get into Monday, that system from the Midwest slowly works its way through the area. So I think that this is going to be an evening overnight rain event from Monday night into Tuesday, with perhaps a half inch to an inch as that system slowly works through. Can't rule out a thunderstorm either with that particular system. Then for the midweek period, it's cooler and drier, and we have windy conditions for Tuesday and Wednesday under sunny skies. And then by Thursday and Thursday night, our attention turns to a developing low pressure in the southeast states, so that by early Friday morning, we may get into some soaking rain from a slow-moving system that moves up the coast Friday and into the early part of Saturday. And this may be part of a pattern where it starts to get unsettled as we go deeper and deeper into May. Let me show you what I mean. This is off the European model, and this is the upper air pattern by next Tuesday night into Wednesday. Now, the system from Monday is already off the playing field. It's already over the Atlantic, well out into the ocean. But what happens is, as we go through time, this low pressure in the southeast locks itself off, and it has no real place to go. So even though that might not mean that we're raining the whole time from Friday through next weekend, the 6th through the 9th, basically what it does mean is that we could have cooler than normal temperatures, unsettled weather, and it may stick around for a few days, for late next week into early the following week. So that's something to watch as we go along. I'm very concerned that this pattern sort of locks in for a little while. As we take a look at Weather Underground, and you can see the disparity between today's temperatures and tomorrow's. Nice for the rest of the week. Rain arrives late Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, fine. Thursday, I would say rain is late in the day, if at all. Friday is the big day for rain. And then we'll see about Saturday and Sunday. Big question mark as we see what that upper air cutoff system wants to do over the southeast and how much it influences our weather for late next week into early the following week.